And I first want to address an issue which is deeply, deeply disturbing, and that we have to talk about the leak, the so-called leak of the Supreme Court opinion from last night. Absolutely horrified by what the majority of the Supreme Court of the United States of America plans to do to women's rights in this country. And as a woman, this is personal. This is something that we have fought against for my entire life. In fact, this is a battle my mother's generation. It's a battle for my generation, my daughter's generation, and it seems like even my 3-day-old grandchild, Sophia's generation, will have to be fighting this same fight, something that we had thought we had put to bed a long time ago. And I refuse to go backwards. I refuse to go backwards, and that's exactly the specter of what we're looking at when it comes to our fight for abortion rights. So, my promise is that here in the state of New York, we will not stand idly by. Anyone who needs care, we welcome you with open arms. And remember that we legalized abortion here in the state of New York 3 years before Roe v. Wade. We were there for women in need at the time, and we'll be there for them now. Because we believe that access to reproductive health is a human right, and my administration will do whatever it can to protect that right. Back in 2019, I was proud to preside over the Senate when we passed the Reproductive Health Act. And when I took office, I immediately said that we'd not rest on our laurels because access to abortion was so critically important. And we're making sure that anyone in need of care has that right. Earlier this month, our actual budget enshrined into law a requirement that health plans in New York cover abortion services. And we're working proactively now in anticipation of whatever happens at the Supreme Court. Under my direction, the Department of Health is working closely with experts and advocates to issue regulations to ensure that telemedicine abortion is available here, to offer clear guidance to providers, and provide information to patients about their right to abortion. Let me be clear. We're not playing defense. We're playing offense. So my message to women all across this country is that New York, this state of New York, will always be there for anyone who needs reproductive health care, including an abortion. And my message to those who will deny this fundamental right, basic right, you don't want to mess with us. You don't want to mess with the state of New York. And I assure you, this is a fight that you will not win.